This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at the SEC registers, and we're looking at the PLU reporting functionality on the machine. Now these machines can get confusing because the standard, the buttons here are all departments, so your normal end of day Z report, here's one I made earlier, will have departments on it already, so they're all covered. Unless you've had some really funny programming done to it where these have been converted to PLUs, in which case you will need this PLU report, then the only other way of selling PLUs is via the PLU button here. So that's like a pre-warning. Your PLUs, as long as you program them, will then be assigned to departments which will appear on these Z reports anyway, but this report is to show you how you can see how many individual PLUs you've sold if you've got them programmed in. So there's two ways of doing it. You've got your X mode where there's a PLU report available. It's easy to do, you just arrow down to PLU and then press CA Mount End. What you've got to bear in mind on the reports on the registers is that X is read-only report, so this will show you the PLUs sold, but it won't reset them. It's your Z report that does the resetting. So if I now run a Z report, the information will be exactly the same as on the X report, except I've done a daily report instead of a PLU report, so it looks totally different. When I run the PLU report, it'll be exactly the same as this one here. But what it will do is reset the data. So you can see 31 apples at 15.50, 3 oranges, £3.50, and so on and so on. So if I now ran another PLU report in the Z mode, it was going to be 0 because we've not sold any since the last time we ran the report. The reason why I'm going on about this is that your PLU reporting, you might be looking at a PLU figure to see how much you've sold of an individual product over a certain period of time. So you might want to run a monthly PLU report, or a weekly PLU report, or a quarterly PLU report, or a daily one. Obviously daily would be simpler, but that might seem like going over the top. But the key thing is you must understand that you can't go into the register and say I want to see a PLU report from December 2017, or I want to see how many of a certain PLU are sold in 2016. They don't work like that. You have to do a weekly PLU report, so physically go and do a PLU resetting report in the Z mode every week, or every month, or every quarter, depending on your routines that you want to set up. So yeah, basically that's how to do a PLU report. I've got other videos appearing on screen now showing you how to do your normal Z report, which will have the department information in and also periodic reporting as well. So yeah, if you want to, you can check those out, or you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.